If you've heard of moving averages, RSI, or MACD, you're probably one of the many traders that use some of these indicators to get alerted to potential trades. While using these indicators can be better than trading blind, they lag, which means you're at a disadvantage if you rely on them for entering or exiting trades. Instead of competing with the herd on indicator-based trades, or worse, falling victim to getting caught when they don't work, we invite you to try something different. StockOdds teaches how to prepare in advance for a variety of indicators. What matters is what happens after an indicator value is presented. So how would anybody know this? StockOdds predictive analytics showcases the behavior of the odds of bullish or bearish price action after your signals. Enter a probability-based trading with no lag, as you're completely ahead of the crowd. So where would your competition be then? Miles behind you. Become a member of mystockodds.com to harness data and education for probability-based trading.